Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. The next question is 8th one in 1.2 exercise. Find at least two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. We have to write two irrational numbers. At least two between 2 and 3. Already you know what is irrational number. The irrational number is endless. It is going on non-repeating term. So we can write not only 2, we can write any number, infinite numbers we can write. So here asking only 2. So one irrational number between 2 and 3 is, so we have to say the number above 2 and less than 3. Irrational number, remember that one. Means endless, going on, non-repeating. So more above 2 and less than 3. So one is, I am writing 2.37056 irregular number, 4 so on. Second irrational number is another 2.740591 so on. So we can write like this. So next, ninth question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So we have to say the given statement is true or false. Why it is true or why it is false we have to say. The first one is every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. అంటే ప్రతి irrational number real number. So already told in previous class, in introduction class, in real numbers, rational numbers there, irrational numbers there. So this is irrational number is the part of real number. So that is the biggest one. These are the parts, branches of real numbers. So every irrational number is a real number is true because this is part of that real number. This is subset of that real number. True. Because irrational number is part of real number. Irrational numbers are part of real numbers. Real numbers. Example, root 2. Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 also a real number. Roots are also a real number. So in the way, second question, every rational number is a real number. Every rational number is a real number. Rational number means fraction. This is also branch of that real number. This is also part of a real number because real entire whole thing is real numbers. In real numbers, already told in previous class, introduction class. So you have to remember now. This is rational number or irrational number are the parts of the real numbers. So true because every rational number is part of real number, part of real numbers. So example, 5 by 3, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 is a rational number. This is also a real number. This is also a real number. What about this one? Every real number need not be a rational number. Every real number this time means highest number. In real number, so many branches are there. One branch is rational number. So, if a number is real number, need not be a rational number. He is given. Is it true or false? We have to think. Because this is a real number means bigger one. In bigger number, in highest position, and some number is there, that will either rational or irrational. There is a chance for both. So, here every real number need not be a rational number. Real number ఉన్న ప్రతిదీ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఆ నెంబర్ ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కావటం కూడా ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో రేషనల్ నెంబర్ని 2 పార్ట్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకటి రేషనల్, ఇంకొకటి ఇర్రేషనల్. కాబట్టి ప్రతి రియల్ నెంబరు రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో. కాబట్టి వాడు చెప్పిన మాట, దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ నీడ్ నాట్ బి అన్నాడు. నీడ్ నాట్ బి కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అని చెప్పారు. కాబట్టి ఇది ట్రూ. ట్రూ బికాస్ root 3 is a real number. Already you know root 3 is a real number. So real number is the part of rational and irrational. So this is real number. Actually this is irrational number, but it is real number. Is real number, but it is not rational number. So he is saying is true. ఏం చెప్పారో అది కరెక్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే రియల్ నెంబర్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు అన్నారు. ఎస్, అవసరం లేదు. అది ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కూడా కావచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు రూట్ 3 అనేది ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్, బట్ రియల్ నెంబర్. ఇది రియల్ నెంబరు, కానీ ఇది రేషనల్ నెంబర్ కాదు అని చెప్పిన మాట. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ fourth question. Root n is not a irrational number if n is a perfect square. Root n is not irrational if n is a perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square? If a number having square root value, then it is called perfect square. For example, if a number having square root value, it is called perfect square. For example, 25, number 25, it has, we can write 25 as 5 square, cancel, 5 is answer. Root 36, answer is 6. Root 49, answer is 7. So these 25, 36 and 49 are called perfect squares because it has square root value. The numbers which has square root value, those numbers are called perfect squares. Those numbers are called perfect squares. So this is the meaning of perfect square. So here root n is not a irrational number. This is not a irrational number if n is a perfect square. he is saying true. I am taking here 3 examples. 25 is perfect square. Root of 25 is 5. What is 5? 5 is a rational number. 5 is not irrational number. Okay. Root 5 is irrational number, but 5 is not irrational number. Remember that. Root 36. We can write root 36 as 6. So 6 is a rational number. So we can write this into rational number. So he is saying root n is not irrational number. So అంటే ఇది irrational number కాదు అన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు n is a perfect square. కరెక్టే కదా వాళ్ళు చెప్పింది. కాబట్టి ట్రూ. Example. Take an example. Taking n value as 25. Root 25 means 5 square. 5 square is equal to 5. 5 is a what number? Rational number. Not irrational. He also saying like that only. This is a not rational number. Not irrational number. This is a not irrational number. Rational number. So root n is an irrational number if n is not a perfect square. If n is not a perfect square. n కనుక పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కాకపోతే దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఈ నెంబర్ ఇర్రేషనల్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి గ్యారంటీగా ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్. ఎందుకని రూట్ 49 దీనికి వాల్యూ ఉంది 7. అదే రూట్ 3 దిస్ ఫర్ దిస్ నో వాల్యూ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్. 1.732 like going on. Same way. So he is saying is right. True. Because example root 7 is irrational. 7 is not perfect square. Here also 25 is perfect square here. So third one, all real numbers are irrational. All real numbers are irrational. Already the same question came. All real numbers means entire overall. All are irrational number. అది కరెక్ట్ ఎట్లా అవుతుంది? ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఆర్ 2 types. Irrational real numbers can be divided into 2 groups. One is rational and another is irrational. So irrational number is branch of real number, part of real number. So all numbers are not belongs to irrational number. They may belongs to rational numbers also. So real numbers means the numbers may be rational or irrational. So he is saying is false. False. Because example 3/7 is a real number. 3/7 is a real number, but it is not irrational. 3/7 is not irrational. 3/7 is rational number. But 3/7 is not irrational number. It is a rational number. Okay. So up to this second exercise is completed. Okay. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.